Hi, Reverend Victoria Loveland Cohen here, and we are getting so excited at Unity Center of Peace because this weekend we are going to have the experience of having Reverend Linda Martella-Whitsett with us, sharing her wisdom about the 12 powers. Now, if you don't know who she is the Vice President of Unity Prayer and Practice at Unity, and the author of Divine Audacity. And she's going to show us how to activate these innate powers within us. So there's still time to register, but you need to do it today because the class starts on Friday. So go to unitychapelhill.org/classes and sign up now, and I'll see you there.